Hello dear children, how are you all? Fine? Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, that is dispersion of light. Dispersion of light. Have you heard this term? We will discuss that, okay? Have you ever seen a rainbow? So beautiful it is, right? When you see a rainbow after a rain, is it? And when the sun is there in the east horizon, you can see a rainbow in the west horizon. That is just opposite of the sunlight, is it? And when the sunlight is passed through the droplets of rain, it forms a band of colors, and this band of colors is called a rainbow. Okay, this band of colors is called a rainbow. Okay, after the rain it forms, so there will be droplets of rain in the atmosphere, and when the sunlight passes through this droplets of rain, it forms rainbow. Hope you understood. So this band of colors is also known as spectrum. You will be learning it as spectrum in the higher classes. Okay, so what are the different colors in the rainbow? You know, in the smaller classes you have learned there are 7 colors in a rainbow, and this band of colors are of 7 colors. What are they? V for violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, and we said it as VIBGYOR. Okay, V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, and O for orange, R for red. So these are the 7 colors in a rainbow. Let me ask you a question. What's the color of sunlight? Is it white in color? Yes, we see that it is white in color. But is it white or colored? Let us see that through an activity. For that, we need a prism. Have you ever seen a prism? See, here I have a prism with me. Okay? Their 2 faces are triangular in shape, and the other 3 faces are square shaped. Okay? 3 faces are square shaped, and the other 2 faces are triangular shape, and it is a glass prism which is very transparent, okay, as you can see here. So with this prism we can understand whether the sunlight is white in color or not. Okay, so this white light is passed through this glass prism. So this is a prism, and this white light is passed through the prism. Okay, as you can see, it travels from air to glass. This is a glass prism. Here it is air, and here it is also air. So when it passes from air to glass, there is a bending of light. Otherwise it travels like this. Okay, there is a bending of light because it travels from one medium to another. Here also it travels from glass to air, so there is another bending of light happens. And what happens to this white light? This white light is split into different colors. If you observe, you can understand that they are rainbow colors. See, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So the spectrum you can see here. Okay, hope you understood this. And now I'll show you a video. See here you can see sunlight, and it is made to pass through a slit. That is, a small ray of light is passing through this prism, and as you can see, it's split into different colors. What are the different colors? There are 7 constituent colors. Okay, understood? So these are the 7 colors which is made, the light, white light is made up of. Okay. So this phenomenon is called a dispersion. So this is what is called a dispersion. The phenomenon of splitting of white light into its constituent 7 colors is called a dispersion. Hope you understood what is dispersion of light means. Is it? So, if white light is made up of 7 colors, we have to get back this white light. Is it? So, you have heard about the great scientist Sir Isaac Newton. He formed a disc. You can also try the same. You have to take a circular disc. Okay, just take a cardboard and cut it in the form of circle. Okay, then made it as 7 segment. Okay, made it as 7 segment. And in each segment you have to color with violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, as it is shown here. Okay. Then what will happen when you rotate this with very fastly, then you can see white color. Okay. So when a small circular disc with 7 rainbow colors are painted on it, it is rotated very fast. The colors gets mixed together. First you can see the mixing of colors. See, first you can see it as a separate colors, and then it is mixed up, and finally you will be seeing it as a white in shade. Is it? So you can see it as white in color. So what you understood from this 7 colors can bring a white color, or white light is a mixture of these 7 colors. You got it back also with the help of a Newton's disc. This disc is called a Newton's disc. And if you have a hole at the center, and if you just take a pencil or a refill, then make it rotate it freely. Okay, just take care that you have to rotate it freely. Then if as you move it more and more faster, you can see the mixing of colors, and finally you will be getting the white color. All of you can try this. Okay. See, as you can see here, when it is rotated, see, when you are rotating it, you can see a white shade here, is it? So this is what is called a Newton's disc. Hope you understood what is rainbow and what are the 7 colors of a rainbow, and then we have learned white light is composed of 7 colors, or white light can be split into its constituent colors. What is that phenomenon known as? It is called dispersion, and we finally learned about the Newton's disc. Hope all of you enjoyed. Thank you.